Good morning, welcome to Golden Hour. Today we're in a new location, we're up on the roof, so you're going to hear quite a few seagulls, maybe some other birds, and a bit of wind, but I thought it'd be nice to take this practice outside today. I love outdoor yoga, I think it really helps us connect in with the senses, helps us to be present, so I'm hoping I can bring a bit of that to wherever you're practicing today. All we need today is a mat and ourselves, so we'll get started. Coming to sit. Close the eyes. Feeling your breath through the nose. Feeling the points of contact of your body on the mat, sides of the feet, legs, bottom. Feeling your hands on your knees, clothes on your skin. Can you go a centimeter taller through the spine, crown of the head reaching to the sky? When you're ready, blinking, open the eyes. We'll start with some seated cat-cows. Hands on your knees as support. Inhale, pulling your chest forward. Exhale, rounding the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, forward. Exhale, round. Inhale. Exhale, following your breath. You can make these a little bit bigger, and then eventually arriving in our Sufi circle, so making rotations around your pelvis, letting the torso guide the movement, your heart leading. And if there's anywhere that feels like you'd like to stop or linger somewhere, feel free. And then reversing your circles. Till we eventually arrive back in stillness, making them smaller, smaller. And we're back in Sukhasana. Hands to the mat, coming onto all fours, hands and knees. Coming over the wrists. And then back down towards the heels, pulling ourselves forward a little deeper now, dropping the hips down, pulling ourselves back, maybe stretching the arms a little bit longer, a bit more space. And then stopping in child's pose, reaching forward, forehead grounding down. Inhale, back up. Extending out your left leg long, pointing your toes, lifting them off the mat. Strong back leg. Right hand reaches forward. Inhale. Exhale, crunching under, pushing the mat away from you. Knee and elbow touch. Inhale, reaching long. Exhale, rounding, crunching. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, reach. Bend your back knee, catching your foot with your hand. Kicking open into your palm. Pressing strongly down through the left hand. Releasing down, other side. Right leg back. coming up on the toes first, pointing your toes, then lifting your leg off, reaching your left hand forward. If you feel like you're dumping into your stomach, see if we can pull up and away, engaging the core. Inhale, reach. Exhale, crunch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reach long. Grab your hand. Grab your foot even. Kicking into your palm. Releasing back down. A few more rounds of fluid movement here. So maybe you're dipping the hips forward. For me, some circles through the hips. And then tucking toes under, pushing yourself up and back, downward facing dog. Bending your left knee, right heel towards the floor. Pushing through your hands, hips up and back. Right heel stays where it is. Lifting your left leg off the mat, sweeping it up and back. See if we come any deeper through the right leg. Then we switch sides. Bend your right knee. Left heel towards the mat. Maybe it doesn't touch. And then lifting up your right leg. And you're stepping through to the front of the mat, grounding your left knee, or your right knee. Grounding your left knee, releasing the toes, climbing yourself up into a low lunge. Hands to the mat, pulling yourself back into half split. So we're going to flow between the two. Inhale, walking yourself forward. Exhale, flexing the foot, coming back. You can stay like this. If you'd like more, you're going to inhale, reach the arms high. And exhale, flexing the foot, pulling our arms back. Bracing the core to find balance, control. See if we can go a bit slower. Thinking nice and deep through the hips. Very nice. On this last one, we stay where we are in our high lunge or low lunge. So we can sink a little bit deeper. Then hands to the inside of the foot, walking your right foot all the way to the edge of the mat, pushing open your right knee. Lizard pose. Opening your chest, shoulder. Steady breaths through the nose. Staying here, maybe bending the back foot, catching your foot with your hand, opening up. Releasing both hands to the mat with control, coming up on the back toes, so we're in a high lunge, and then sending our right leg back, so we're in a high plank. Coming down into our vinyasa, so knees or toes, lowering down. Chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Staying here for a little bit, opening through the chest. And tucking the toes, pushing yourself back. Downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg sweeps high and stepping through low lunge other side. Flexing your feet, walking yourself back, half split. And then again, we're going to flow between the two, walking forward, pulling yourself back. Wherever you are, breathing with the movement. See if you can take these next few flows back and forth to really focus on the breath. Maybe close your eyes. Feel how the body is when you move side, just what it feels like. Let's add the arms if you'd like, eyes back open. And then the next time you're in your low lunge, staying there. Hands to the inside of the foot, walking your foot a little bit wider, lizard. Maybe coming to the outer edge of your left foot, pushing open your left knee. Bending your back foot, catching foot with your palm. Both hands to the mat, coming up on the back right foot, swinging your left foot back to meet it, high plank, lowering down. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, pulling back, downward facing dog. Stepping your right foot forward, rising up, warrior one. Opening warrior two. Flip your palm, reverse your warrior, bending deeply through the right knee. Left hand wraps behind. Coming up and over, extended side angle. Push strongly through your left back foot, reaching through your left fingertips. Hand can stay as it is, maybe coming all the way to the floor as long as we're keeping our chest open. Both hands to the mat. We're in a high lunge, opening up into a twist. Coming up on the back outer edge of your left foot, stepping back, side plank, Vashisthasana. Lift your hips high. 2 more breaths here. Maybe we want to lift the top leg. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Both hands to the mat. Lowering down. Inhale. Open through the chest. Exhale over the toes. Downward facing dog. Step your left foot forward, rising up, warrior one. Opening warrior two. Forearms to thigh, extended side angle. Hand can stay where it is, maybe we're coming deeper. And then both hands to the mat, high lunge, opening into a twist. Planting strongly through your right hand. We're going to start to come to the outside edge of our right foot. With control, big brace of the core, stepping back, side plank. Maybe lifting the top leg. 2 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale, lift tall. Inhale. Exhale, both hands to the mat. Straight back to downward facing dog or lowering down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Dropping your knees, sinking back into your heels. Child's pose. Sitting back and coming to lie down on your back. So if you'd like, you can come with me and we'll come down with control, pointing the feet, maybe touching a low boat for a moment, and then lowering all the way down, knees into chest. Sending your left leg long, bring your hips over to the right, and then dropping your right knee to the left. Extending your right hand out to the side, turning your head to the right. Supine twist. back to center. Switching sides, so hips over to the left this time, right leg long, left knee over to the right. Coming back to center, bend your knees, catching your feet with your hands. Happy baby. Any movement here, maybe you want to straighten one leg at a time. Rock side to side. Wherever you are, see if you can take the deepest breath you've taken this morning. And any final movements before we eventually settle in. Corpse pose, Shavasana, extending your legs long, feet open, palms up, close the eyes. And then draw your knees into your chest. Give yourself a squeeze. Gently coming up to a comfortable seated position. Close the eyes back down. Bring your palms together, rubbing your palms, generating some heat. And then placing them gently over your eyes. Blinking open the eyes, hands back to heart center. Bowing down to yourself. Namaste. Thanks for joining me here this morning up on the roof. I hope you've had a lovely practice and are feeling nice and fresh, ready for the day. If you enjoyed this class, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you're not already subscribed, feel free to subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I'll see you again another morning soon. Bye.